Here we are in Houston, Texas with Centori Outdoors with our awning tent. Out here with our family enjoying the day. Real easy setup, and we're going to show you how. Got your bag, got your tools, got your bag wide open with your tools, hammer, stakes, rope, and some extra rope for support. 4 support ropes. Easy to tie up. Put it in the hole. Tie once, tie twice, tie 3 times. Real strong. 3 times will give you plenty of security so it doesn't slip. As we're showing you in this picture. Real easy. Do that to all of them, which you have 4. Real easy. You'll have your poles here. These poles are to hold in place. You just unlatch them, lift up. You pull your tarp out of the bag, open it up very carefully, spread it out. Line up the zippers. The zipper will line up just like a zipper on a coat. You pull all the way up very carefully. Follow the zipper, follow the line. You follow all the way through. It goes all the way around on the top, back all the way to the other side of the tent. Once that's completed, which takes a few minutes, the tent will be totally done, as you see in this picture. Now we're ready for the supports. Real easy with the supports. Get the pole. We're going to put the pole in the hole. Put the rod down on the ground on a secure spot. Put the string, which is your support string, inside and pull. Find you some secure ground. Real important. Secure ground, hard ground. Once you find it, just like I'm doing now, hammer it in very securely as deep as you can go. Once that's complete, you do the exact same thing to the other side. Pound it into the ground securely all the way in. They come out real easy and they pull out real easy with the other side of the hammer. In, ready to go. This was our weekend at Bush Park, showing you how great and how easy it is to set up your tent. Your family, your friends, all can come out. You can have you a few drinks, you can have you a meal, and spend the whole day. With Centori, have you a super great weekend.